Hello, folks. I was asked to do a very quick tutorial on how to get into Microsoft Team if you have never done this type of video conferencing before. So you will receive an invitation that looks a lot like this, where you're going to click on the yes up at the top, saying that you are going to come to the meeting. You're also going to see a link down here that says Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. So I'm going to click on that link. And when I do so, it's going to bring me to a conversation that looks like this. In this particular case, I have this choice of download the Windows app or join on the web instead. Now, what we discovered is even though I have an HP computer laptop using Windows 10, even after I downloaded the Windows app, it still really didn't like it at all. So we're recommending that you join on the web instead. But again, be very conscious of what browser you're using. So right now, I'm currently in Chrome. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm actually going to come up here and I'm going to highlight that entire link. And I'm just going to go to my keyboard and copy it by using Control C. And then I'm going to jump down here to my Internet Explorer and I'm going to go over to it. And then I'm going to highlight back up in my web address again. I'm going to hit Control V to get it to put the link in there and then hit enter. And it brings me to this window again, but this time I'm in Internet Explorer 10 where it should work fine. So I'm going to click on join on the web instead. Give it just a second here to load. It's going to bring me to this window here. Now I've already been in once, but it will ask you for your name to be entered here. So you're going to type your name in here. Make sure that your camera and your mic are both on, or you can leave them off if you don't want to if you're coming into the meeting late. I would recommend that you actually switch it over to turning your mic off so not to interrupt the meeting. But if you're in before the meeting has started, then you can certainly leave it on and you're going to hit join now. And at this point, the host of the meeting will receive notification to let you in, and this window will then suddenly turn into the video conferencing. And that's essentially it. The key thing to remember though is you definitely want to use Internet Explorer. Make sure that your updates are current and you should be all right. Thank you very much, folks.